Mounting Azure Data Factory in Microsoft Fabric. Welcome back to another episode of Fabric under 60 seconds, where I break things down so it's easy to understand. Now, you might be familiar with Azure Data Factory, and that tends to be the biggest utilized ETL capability across Azure. Now, we have a lot of capabilities in Microsoft Fabric, however, it doesn't quite have the same parity in terms of capability to Azure Data Factory. Now, the second part that you have to understand is that when you're using the capacity, we're using the capacity of Microsoft Fabric. So we have now one of the advantages in Microsoft Fabric, it's the newest kit on the ETL block, is to use the old kit, essentially Azure Data Factory, and mount it straight to Fabric and leverage that through pipeline. So this allows organizations to leverage the work they have already done in Azure Data Factory, mount it straight and manage it through Fabric directly, while not putting that workload capacity on the Fabric capacity, rather than it runs on the standard Azure Data Factory, and leverage the entirety of integration runtime and the years of innovation in Azure Data Factory. So this is a great option for people to leverage what they have already done till we get parity in Microsoft Fabric from that perspective. So for organizations that have heavy investment in Azure Data Factory, this allows them to leverage Microsoft Fabric today with all the work they have done. So if your organization have invested a lot in Azure Data Factory, it works great for you. This gives you an option to bring that as a destination to Fabric and start leveraging Fabric today. So try that and let me know.